DDH Graham. In this video, I want to discuss a couple of reasons why DDH approached us and the challenges we helped them solve. There's two key things around DDH and why they needed our assistance. DDH operated on a legacy version of Navision, was really starting to drag both their productivity and thus profitability, and they needed to improve this going forward. While at the same time, they had a challenge from compliance around some of the checks and balances they needed to put in place, particularly around integration into external systems, such as Ilion, that was simply just too hard or too costly to do with their existing software. So let's jump into some of the challenges we've helped DDH Graham with, and how we continue to assist them going forward. The first challenge was around manual data entry issues into their existing Navision software. DDH was triple keying things into different systems because over time they had acquired more and more systems both internally and through compliance that all the data had to sit in with. FindLucky was approached to build a new onboarding application that would both simplify the process up front, make it a better user experience, while at the same time integrating with all the different products that are required to do. FindLucky delivered this with flying colours. This is now in production with DDH's internal staff and it's being rolled out externally. Simply put, it takes data from the front end and does checks both into Ilion and also into Navision and puts the onus back on the client who's entering the data to get it right up front, and therefore there's no chase up or double key actions. This has been both a huge time saver for DDH and also ticked a number of compliance boxes for them. Second part of this legacy migration is really around utilising the cloud and moving forward their banking system. DDH's banking system is a little bit archaic, and that's because it's built on some legacy software. We're currently working with them to bring them a cloud-native first experience into the cloud with both mobile apps and web platforms. This will allow their clients, whether they be brokers or end users, to log in and get a first-grade experience when they're using their banking products. Again, there's a significant amount of compliance and checks that need to be put in place here, and here at FindLucky we're helping them put all these in place to capture them up front. It's a safe and secure platform, and it's going to enable DDH to grow and integrate with more and more products on an ongoing basis, as well as expose APIs out to various clients in order for them to integrate in from their products. Overall, there was three key things we helped DDH with. Firstly, it was accelerating their roadmap to enable them to migrate off their legacy software and onto some new technology stacks. There was a few key drivers for this. One of them was compliance, and this was the second thing that we assisted them with. Migrating to a new cloud-first stack, we were able to implement the compliance requirements that were needed to be done, and therefore any of these security or compliance issues they have now been resolved. And finally, we've given them the ability to move from on-premise infrastructure and into the cloud. With a brand new technology stack that's easily transportable from on-premise into the cloud, DDH is now ready to make full use of the cloud. We continue to work with DDH on this process, and we will continue to build their cloud-first banking app to give their customers the best experience, while at the same time conforming with all compliance and security matters for them. If you're a fintech or banking provider and looking to increase either your roadmap or use of the cloud, or you're having issues struggling to hit your compliance goals, feel free to book a meeting below with me and I'm happy to discuss those with you.